We are testing our super transfer pump big. So what we're doing is we're attaching the inlet hose to 100 feet of hose and the outlet hose to 100 feet of hose. The inlet is 5 or 6 feet above from the ground, and the pump is 13 feet away from the outlet. Can you hold this, Garrick, please? As you can see, the water level is going down. That means the pump is sending liquid all the way up from, let's say, 18 feet is where the ground is. The pump is at the 13 feet mark, and the outlet, it's all the way at 0, so 13 feet away from the bottle. This is where we started. That's how it's going. It goes at its same rate. I'm gonna hold my finger there so you can see that it is actually going down and emptying it. We are at sea level, which can vary and change, and we're also doing it with water. Depending on the liquid, it varies how strong the pump is, but as you can see, it is pretty strong, so you can test it to different conditions.